Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is a What's New at Dollar Tree video. If you are new here, I'm Keisha. I love sharing affordable finds in beauty, home, and fashion. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be a member of the Frugal fam, and also make sure you thumbs up the video because I would appreciate it and it helps to spread the word about the channel. VO5 hair and scalp oil. So I found this in the beauty aisle. This hair and scalp oil contains marula oil and peppermint. It is a 5 ounce bottle for $1.25. This seems like a good product to have now that it's getting warmer outside. The peppermint oil helps to open up your pores on your scalp a little bit, gives you that nice tingly feeling, might be a little cooling as well, especially with these warmer months. It's also supposed to be frizz-free, so I'm assuming that it's good for curly hair. Not 100% sure. If you've tried this product, let us know in the comments. I found these license plate frames, and the ones I found were just gold, and then there was one that was silver. They might have some other designs available. I just think this is kind of cool that they have them, and these were $1.25. Something I found that was not $1.25 though in the automobile area was this side window shade. This is a universal fit, and it has a suction cup, so you just kind of plop it up on your window, and it just gives an extra bit of shade for whatever window you want to use it for. Great for if you have kids in the back seat and you just want to provide a little extra shade for them whenever you're going on road trips and things like that, or just driving around the city, running errands and stuff. And I found from the brand Axe, I found this car freshener. So this is supposed to have a 30-day span. So I don't know if it does or not. I decided not to pick it up though because I was like, I don't know if I want my car smelling like Axe body spray. But maybe for the guy in your life who is into that, they might enjoy it. It could be a nice graduation gift. You know, graduations are coming up now. So this would be a great graduation gift to kind of just throw in the bag for any of your teen drivers out there. And from the brand Home Bright, I found these laundry detergent sheets. I've seen something like this before, and I think I've mentioned something like this before on the channel. It's been a while since I've seen any of these laundry sheets. So I just wanted to mention anyway, just in case you haven't seen these in Dollar Tree. Sometimes they come and go, different items. But this is 15 sheets. And these are biodegradable, of course, since they are going in your washing machine. I haven't tried these yet. I do have a package of the previous ones. I think I still have those in my laundry room. You guys, I forget to use those. And speaking of laundry, also from the brand Home Bright are these refreshing fabric rinses. And so these are comparable to the Downy fabric rinse that you may have seen on the shelves and in the commercials and stuff. You know Dollar Tree is good at providing us with some sort of a dupe. So the Dollar Tree one is 15 ounces for $1.25. Now they do have a, I guess you would call sample size of the Downy available, also for $1.25, except that is 4 ounces. So you got 15 ounces, 4 ounces. I don't know. I guess you guys can let me know if you've tried it. If it's really comparable, does it work just as well as the name brand Downy or not? From the brand Heritage is this hair shower basket. I was going to take this out of the packaging, but I decided not to. So I'm really not sure how well this looks. If I can find one that's been opened, I'll put it on the screen. But this is from the brand Heritage. Like I said, you can find a lot of Heritage products at Walmart. You might be able to find them at Target too, I'm not sure. But the creator of this brand, I believe she has a YouTube channel. So she had been creating hair stuff, hair products, working with that type of stuff for a while now. So I think she started on YouTube maybe. I don't quote me on that. I don't know for sure, but for some reason I feel like she was a YouTuber. And of course I have a fur baby, so I did look in the pet aisle to see what was new. From the brand Arm & Hammer are these nibbles, and they are tartar controlled chews. So they're basically like little toothbrushes, you know, edible toothbrushes for dogs. This came in a 6 count, but I could only find the small size. I chose not to go ahead and get these because I don't want to create some sort of a choking hazard for my dog because he's not a small dog and he could eat pretty fast. And also, because warm weather is approaching, I found this Pure Aloe Soothing Mist. So this is kind of a after sun care, during your time outside care type of spray mist. I guess it's supposed to be very soothing if you're getting sunburn, if you're just getting overheated. This is something nice to have to cool your skin down and also give you some moisture and some nourishment to your skin. And from the brand Personal Care, I found this moisturizing post-shave serum. It is pH balanced, so you can use it all over your body. Anywhere that you shave, you should be able to use this just to kind of make sure your skin has some moisture put back into it, to kind of soothe it, because sometimes with shaving, it can be pretty harsh against the skin. And I found these body wax strips. So this is a body wax strip kit. It contains 10 body strips, 6 face strips, 2 bikini strips, and 2 cleansing pads. So it is that time of year where we are showing more skin. So this is a great option for those who have no problem doing some DIY care. I haven't tried these because I have my own little wax strips and things like that. But if you have, let us know in the comments if this was worth it or not. And I found some body sprays from Global Beauty Care. This was coconut sugar and peach. I'm not sure if they have other scents or not. This is all I found on the shelves at my Dollar Tree. These are a 6-ounce container. I did smell these. They did have nice little sweet scents to them. Not overly sweet, but just right. I'm not sure how long they last. I don't know. So, you know, you may want to buy these and try them out. And in the baby section, I found some sippy cups. So these sippy cups kind of have this little convertible cap on them, so you can pull it back and the straw pops out, pull it forward and close it. Everything is contained. It does have handles, and these come in several colors. Also, I found this feeding set, and it comes with its own little spoon attached to it. It has a lid, it has your bowl, of course, your container. This came in several colors as well. What I will say is you don't have to use this just for your kids. I was thinking that this would be great for you to take to work for your lunches, or for your kids to take for their lunches. Like, you could just put little snacks like yogurt and stuff in here, and it does come with its own spoon. So I thought that was very neat. Like I said, don't have to be just for the baby. And from the brand Sesame Street, I found these announcement stickers. And so the ones that I found were Elmo, and it said only child status expiring soon. So this is a great way to announce that a new baby is on the way. So if you already have a toddler, this would be a great way for them to feel included, and you can take photos and share them all over social media. And speaking of social media and sharing photos and all of that, there are these Disney milestone stickers. So these, I'm sure you've seen them. I'm sure you've seen some photos of these. But usually it just marks the months that your child is, you know, new to this earth. So, you know, they have the ones for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. So you could take photos and kind of track your child's growth from newborn status all the way up to 1 year old, I believe. The characters that they have, I saw Mickey, I saw Minnie, and there might be a few other ones. But for the most part, I just saw Mickey and Minnie. So I think it's great that Dollar Tree is staying with the trends and offering these, because, hey, you're only going to use it for the picture one good time, and then you're going to move on anyway. So why spend a lot of money on it? So that's all I have, you guys. That's my what's new at Dollar Tree. Please thumbs up the video. Your girl would appreciate it. If you have tried any of these products, comment below and I might show you some comment love on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.